Welcome to Assembler. Today I will show you how to wire the expression-proof smoke detector to the conventional fire alarm control panel. Before wiring, we should turn off the button here and here. And we'll remove the resistor from the zone 1 port. Let's begin our wiring. Remove the back cover. Then we will use the red wire from the zone 1 positive port to connect with the positive port here. And we will use the black wire from the zone 1 negative port to connect with the negative port here. Similarly, the red wire positive and the blue wire negative from the next detector will connect with this port accordingly. Next, install the back cover and install the detector base on the cover. We will use the red wire to connect with the port 2 and the black wire connect with the port 5. If the detector is the last one in the zone, we will connect a 6.8 kilo ohm resistor in parallel to the port 6 and port 5.